What was that? Oh yeah, what they said? An hour. Yeah, I was helping somebody else and it came through and I was around the corner. Come on, man. I'm gonna just have to do it manually. These at the same time.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
I had 3 sets of keys to this car.
3 sets?
I lost 2. I had a man. I lost 2. She got mad and hit the other one somewhere and don't want to tell me.
Oh, man. see what good.
You got to do it on the driver's side.
Yeah, they try the driver's side.
Damn. Right there in the middle too.
Yeah.
I don't even know how to lock the bitches in there. Bust the window in this motherfucker.
Nah, we ain't gonna do that. We gonna get up here.
That lock, do it. It's hard to grab that goddamn door handle.
Heck yeah.
Definitely make this bitch where you can't steal it.
How they wait for the alarm.
That's the flaws and things that pump up.
Yeah.
I say shit, this probably would have pumped up a little bit more. I probably could have stuck my hand in that, man. They'll go do the same shit too, huh?
Yeah. You said where the keys at?
Right there in the middle. See that orange and black thing in the middle? In the middle right there, that orange and black. See the orange and black? That say 786 on it?
Oh, okay, yeah, I see
It's
them.
right there.
That's them?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try one more time then. Let me try something.
That right there gonna do something. Yeah, I left my keys in the car. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Because I'm falling down the drop. That's all that matters. I was worried that I thought after starting stopping. You're okay. Life is good. Be well.
You too.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night.
Yep.
Now, you can grab it. That's the key. Damn, you had it. You got it though, really, because it moved over to where
right.
you can really grab. You see it?
Yeah, I see it now.
There you go. I told you that big bitch that gonna do something. I knew that was.
All right, we're gonna get it one way.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This one unlocked. Oh, wow.
Try it now. There we go.
And I don't even need to do nothing out of here but this. And this USB right here. That's the crazy part.
All right, let me take a picture with the door open. All right, man. Enjoy the rest of your day. All right, we're gonna get in there. We got in there. All right, appreciate it. Yep.